Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to take your wire and attach it to the wiring adapter that comes with the Basyn MIDI kit. It's a 14-pin adapter, and each of your 14 wires will connect from your pedals to the wiring adapter. And the way we do this is just take your stripped wire and take the stripped end, insert it into the top hole end of the pin at the top of the wiring adapter, and while holding that in place, just carefully put it through the little guides on the side of the adapter and pull it down tight so it is now secure in the adapter, and you can see it there, secure at the very end. It'll stay in place very nicely, and you can actually do all your 14 wires to the adapter this way, plug the adapter into your MIDI board, and you're good to go.